Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove viruses and speed up your computer. Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove viruses from your computer and perform basically a general speed up. So I installed a bunch of viruses and a lot of free quotation, a lot of free music, free download fixers and all this crap. See, you can see it all jumping into my face right as I start. See, I haven't done anything yet and I already got a bunch of crap in my face. So pretty much close out of everything like you would pretty much already do. Alright, so what we're gonna do first is we're gonna close out all this crap. So you wanna right click your taskbar or Control Shift Escape. Yeah, Control Shift Escape. Or just right click, click Start Task Manager. And you're gonna wanna stop a lot of these programs. So alright, so yeah, go to processes, not services, processes. And here's a bunch of crap here. For description, this is fake, so I'm just gonna end this. This is also fake. Another toolbar. Oh yeah, look at my Internet Explorer. Right here, 3 toolbars, a lot of that crap. See all this stuff starting up, So just wanna exit out as fast as you can, just press delete, enter, enter, stuff like this, online vault tray optimizer, any backup, toolbar, free stuff, cursors, anything like that. Mixi DJ is also another one, so if you see that, just close out of it. See, now we have everything basically we need running. CRSS, that's a Windows service. It's a service manager thing. I forgot what it is, but I know it's Windows, so this one's good. It's desktop window manager. It's also a Windows one. Windows Explorer, Task Host, Task Manager, which is running right now. My virtual boxing and WinLogon. So these are the basics we need. Alright, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna turn off a bunch of the startup programs so it doesn't take forever to boot. So how I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna open the start menu and type, or on Windows 8, go to the charms bar, go to search and type msconfig, press enter. Look, all this crap starting up again. But anyway, just go to startup first and then click disable all. Now only enable the things you know you need. Anything that says ATI, NVIDIA, Intel, Asus, MSI, you want to enable those things only. So like I have Oracle, this is my drivers, and look at all this stuff I don't need starting up. All this stuff is the stuff I don't need that's starting up. Also, if it says Microsoft Windows R operating system, that can be a virus, actually. So, how to check if it's a virus or not, just disguising itself. You can go over, expand this column by command using the little end thing, and just expand it out. And if it's C Windows System 32 or somewhere like that, then it is most likely a legitimate Windows program. But all this crap, program files, is stuff we don't want. Next thing, we're going to go to the Services tab, and we're going to click Hide All Microsoft Services right here, and we're going to click Disable All. Now we're going to do the same thing we did for startup, and yeah, the same thing we did for startup. I actually think I might have installed an Adobe virus that was disguising itself as Adobe Flash Player, so I'm not going to enable that. But actually, yeah, I'm gonna enable it. So it's Adobe Flash Player, so I'm gonna enable it. And if it's really sketchy, you can go back to msconfig and disable it if you think it's not real. But so see all this other crap. So So that's all. You're done with that now. So just click. Now, you're gonna have to restart after that, but yeah, so just restart. Click restart. Alright. Now my computer is booting much faster than it did last time because I removed a lot of the startup programs rather than all that crap starting up. Now you can see a lot of the crazy crap popping up all over my face is not popping up anymore. So the next thing you want to do is get an antivirus. You can pay for an antivirus if you want to, or you could get a really good free one. For example, a really good free one is Malwarebytes. There's also AVG, but I would prefer Malwarebytes, so you should just download it. So just download it and install it. Now after Malwarebytes is installed, it's going to update like the database automatically, and it's going to say scan is never run, so we're just going to click fix now because we need to run a scan. Alright, now it's going to run a scan, and I'm just going to skip through this. Alright, when the scan completes, it should come up, if you have a an infected enough system, you can have up to 779, I think, is how much this one had. Once you get to the end, just click apply actions and it'll quarantine all the viruses. Alright, then you can view the log and stuff. Yeah. Anyway, so now that we scanned and pretty much removed all the viruses, now we have to uninstall all these programs we don't want. So all of these programs are programs I don't want, except Malwarebytes. It's the only program, and I guess Recycle Bin. Those are the only thing I want. All of this crap is stuff I don't want. So we're just gonna go to Start menu, Control Panel, and then uninstall a program. Oh yeah, Malwarebytes may come up with some stuff, and it'll block programs and stuff like that. So just close out of this. More stuff popping up about viruses being blocked. More viruses. Viruses. Alright. Oh my gosh. More viruses. Alright, so we're just gonna uninstall this one by one by one by one by one. Except this Adobe. Except the Flash player. Alright, right here, when I tried to uninstall 24/7 help, I guess Malwarebytes already removed it, and it says it's already been uninstalled, and Malwarebytes deleted all of it in the uninstall. So then it's going to delete the entry from uninstall a program, so you can uninstall more programs. It also told me to reboot. So if anything happens, just do what it says and reboot. Alright, so now I'm back in after reboot, and see, if you've noticed before, I had a 24/7 help virus installed, and so that's gone now. So I uninstalled it. So just go back to Control Panel, uninstall program, and if your Control Panel looks like this, just go down to, just go down to, let's see, to Programs and Features, and it's basically the same thing as uninstall program. So this anti-malware program right here, this is a Malwarebytes. Malwarebytes is just Malwarebytes anti-malware, but Malwarebytes, I think it is. Yeah, that's just their company. So this is some virus I installed, so just uninstall this. And it's gonna say like, no, please don't uninstall, just close out all this crap. Alright, and then DM uninstaller, I don't know what this is, so I'm just gonna run it. I think that installer is probably a virus. But yeah, so Malwarebytes just blocked it. So Malwarebytes blocked it, I clicked uninstall again. Windows said it was already uninstalled because Malwarebytes deleted it. And then it said, do you want to delete it from the list? So I said yeah. So this is File Parade Bundle Installer. We want to uninstall this. And Malwarebytes probably blocked it, or just Alright, now it has everything we want. We want Microsoft.NET Framework, we want any Visual C++, we want to keep those, Java, Flash. But you see, we still have some stuff. Now, this stuff's probably broken actually, but what we can do is to get rid of this stuff, just click the shortcut, don't open it, just click it once, right click, click open file location, and look, it's saying that it's not there anymore, so we can just, because it's probably linked to one of those viruses, so we can just delete the shortcut, because it's gone. So just instead of that, it's Malwarebytes thing. Open file location, it's also gone. File location also gone. You can also double click those, but I wouldn't double click those because sometimes the viruses won't fully delete, rarely. So what you can do is, what I was trying to do, is you can right click, click open file location. This is Malwarebytes, by the way. And then you can go to program files, and you can just delete this entire folder. Then it would be gone. Then you could just delete the shortcut because it would be gone. But anyway, those were all deleted, and the shortcuts were just left. So yeah, let me just reboot once. Actually, oh wait, no. We still have this cursor thing. Huh. Well, I guess we could set that through cursor, but I'm gonna reboot once and just reboot real quick. Alright, now I'm back in. I rebooted. I still have this crappy cursor that's probably saved, but it's probably not linked to any viruses anymore. So what I want to do is, if you have a cursor, which you probably don't because I intentionally downloaded this, so I'd right click, go personalize, I'd go to, let's see, I'd go to mouse, just click mouse. There's probably, you can get to mouse through the category. Let me see actually. Hardware, mouse, comes the same thing. Yeah, so let's say the stupid football thing. Alright, so just click over this, normal select, click browse, and click arrow, 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 arrow. Then it'll get you back your normal mouse pointer, and yeah. So what you want to do next is remove any virus fragments. So what you want to do is click start, and then go to computer, and then go to your C drive, your main Windows 7 drive, go to program files, and then there's more programs here. So what these are is, these are more viruses. This is FrostWire, which is a peer-to-peer program, but this is a fake one, just a virus I downloaded. So what over these things that you still don't want, like DVD Maker, I never installed that. So what you want to do is go Shift Delete. Then that'll permanently delete the folder. Just click Enter. Alright, and so here's some DVD Maker. This is the Windows DVD Maker, by the way, so you don't want to delete this. And then, so I'll go through some of this. Windows sidebar, you want to keep portable devices, photo viewer, NT, media player, mail, journal, defender, uninstaller. You want to delete this. This is not there. So delete that. Reference assemblies, price finder, obviously not. So delete this, delete this. Popular screensavers, yeah, obviously delete. Oracle is for VirtualBox and Java, so we want to keep that. MS builds, yeah, MS builds. Want to keep Microsoft.NET, Malwarebytes, Java, Internet Explorer, FrostWire. No, this is a fake one. If you use FrostWire, you can keep it, but this is fake FrostWire, so just gonna delete that. So common files, it's basically pretty much. Alright, what you want to do next is just run one more scan in Malwarebytes. Alright, I ran a Malwarebytes scan one more time, and you can see it found more stuff. So I'm just going to click apply to quarantine those. Alright, now I just want to explain the difference between Malwarebytes normal, like just the free version, and Malwarebytes Pro version. This is a trial for the Pro version. This trial would just switch to the normal version once the trial's done, which is 30 days. So the difference is that premium protects you from viruses, from getting any viruses, and normal removes viruses. So you don't really need premium unless you want to, but all you have to do is just avoid stuff that say free or like free download or anything like this, like Adobe Acrobat cheap, and then there's gonna be stuff where you have to pay for it, and it's just actually just a virus. You don't want any of that. Some stuff like Adobe Reader are just free. So if you want to get Adobe Reader, or just PDF Reader, you can just go here, just go go to Adobe. You want to, and you also want to make sure the URLs are legit. So you want it to be Adobe and the reader and stuff. And so you wouldn't want it to be like get new Adobe reader free or something like that .com. So yeah, you don't want something like that, or like some like be something, just some kind of weird thing. This is Bowitz, but it can just be some kind of weird thing. So you don't want to do that. Also, there's another program. Here's a good way to also, if you want to set your search back, like this is still conduit search in Internet Explorer. Sorry, I have to use Internet Explorer, but yeah, it's pretty bad. But just so I just want to set this back to Bing, and then I can switch to Bing. So next thing you want to do is download CCleaner. This is gonna really clean up your system. So just download the free version. I'll include it in the description. You can just download and install this. It's not a virus. I've been talking about this whole time. You also want to. There's also an add-on called Web of Trust, but I'm not going to cover it in this video. But you can download that, and it'll tell you if sites are legitimate by other users. And you can look up that. My Web of Trust, this little browser plugin, if you want to see that. I'll include a link for that in the description. Alright, once you get to the installer, just click next. You can add some of this. Like, this is says to add it to the recyclable and context menu, add run and open CCleaner. What that means is when you right click, this is the context menu, it's just going to say run CCleaner and open CCleaner in this menu. So you can add that if you want. So I'm gonna uncheck them for now. But I'm just gonna go next. I don't want to install Google Chrome because I want Google Chrome, but I don't want the version that's included with this because it's probably an outdated version. So just keep that in mind. You want to download Google Chrome from actually Google, so it's the most updated version. So here is what CCleaner looks like. It's gonna look through your registry. Here's a little uninstaller for stuff. So basically like control panel in this little thing. So we want it to check through the registry through all this stuff. So obsolete, installers, and crap. And then in the cleaner, here's some internet files, history, cookies. Cookies track what you like search for. So if you search for free music, searches on the side and stuff will come up with like free music, stuff like that. So here's Windows Explorer. You can clear network passwords. So, but see, you can clear up your saved like autocomplete forms and save passwords in Internet Explorer. Also, other stuff will come up for Google Chrome and Firefox for the same things. Now here's for Java. This cleans through and just you can see it's all cleaned up, I believe. I think so. And then so here's some more stuff. DNS cache, font cache, desktop shortcuts, do all this advanced stuff. So I'm just gonna leave it like this is, but just check desktop shortcuts. And you can analyze, and then see you have a lot of files. Temporary internet files. This is cache, pretty much as temporary internet files. Cache you want to clear every once in a while, but not too often. What cache is that it saves the web page you're at, and then so when you go back to it, it loads faster. It saves certain images and stuff like that, and then deletes them after. Actually, no, I don't think it deletes them after a while, but it's usually really small. But after maybe a month or so, you want to clear it. So this is gonna clear some of this. Just run the cleaner. Then it'll just make sure you have everything. So this is what it's gonna delete. Because this is what's available to delete. So yeah, it's gonna permanently delete this stuff. So just make sure. Alright, so now it's pretty much done that. So we can analyze. So as you can see, it removed all the stuff. So now there's nothing to be removed. So that pretty much clears up this video. And so yeah, so that's how you pretty much remove viruses and clean up your computer. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.